Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Qorpo World token. Ticker symbol is QORPO. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 29th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Qorpo World brings accessible Web3 innovations to Web2 gamers and simplifies blockchain for everyday players. Now, they have a Telegram that you could follow at Qorpo World that has 3,061 subscribers on there. It says, Gaming Decentralized, the platform that takes you one token closer. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 29th at exactly 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search QORPO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. According to their Etherscan, it says 12 holders, so it doesn't look like it's even available on Uniswap yet. Brand new token. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 750 million Qorpo tokens. Now, their webpage is going to be company.qorpo.world. And over there, you're going to find all sorts of information regarding this gaming project and the token and the whole ecosystem here. Most likely Qorpo.world will work as well, but the one they have linked here is company.qorpo.world. Let's see what happens when I put in Qorpo.world. They also have this Twitter that they always put up a Twitter for the token I'm referring to on the screen here, so you guys can easily find it. They have the gold verified check mark on Twitter. Very well established project. 63,900 Twitter followers. It also has a different link on their Twitter here, side.xyz/Qorpo-world. So there's a whole other webpage right there as well. So then they have a couple different Twitters linked on this screen here, which are developers and people who helped to work on the project. And they have 3,425 tweets. Tons of tweets here. It says, we democratize gaming, live experience unified by one token. And that is the Qorpo token. So their pinned tweet here says, save the date, February 29th, which is tomorrow when they're getting their token listing. It says, Qorpo, our studio token, unifies the Qorpo World ecosystem from hero shooter, citizen conflict, and creature extraction shooter to gaming ID, marketplace, and esports interface. So they're also being listed on Bybit, it says, tomorrow as well, another big central exchange. And I believe Kucoin is coming up as well because they are followed by Kucoin, it says here. So a bunch of big central exchange listings starting tomorrow. And like I said, Mexc global link is down below. So Qorpo World developed a variety of top-tier games, such as acclaimed hero shooter Citizen Conflict, along with an up-and-coming creature extraction shooter called Animate. All built by industry experts in Unreal Engine 5, Qorpo World brings accessible Web3 innovations to Web2 gamers and simplifies blockchain for everyday players. Users can now explore, download, play, and rate games, as well as easily manage their digital assets, discover, earn, buy, sell, and trade rare NFTs, compete in esports tournaments, raise their ranks, and socialize with their friends. Qorpo World's gaming platform brings all of this within an intuitive yet powerful user interface. They have tons of socials. They have LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, Discord, Twitter. So within the project, they have gaming, they have the token, they have NFTs. And you can check out the NFTs on their webpage here. They have it at the side.xyz page right there on the Twitter. And they have the link to their OpenSea and Blur, where you can check out the Founders Collection Citizen Zero of NFTs. And those ones are Ethereum NFTs. And it says floor price is 0.2 ETH and 792.62 ETH total volume. They have 2,222 items in that collection. And so far they have 1,407 holders. So tons of NFT links. They also have this Animate Genesis Zero collection you can check out. You can check out little game trailers on their webpage as well. And then if you go over to Qorpo.world, it's a totally different page where you can actually register. There's links for farming, staking, new drops, new campaigns. And this is like the actual like gaming page where you can check out new games. And there's a button that says play now, so you could play Citizen Conflict, Animate, Egos. There's a bunch of different games here. Galactic Verse, Disseminated, Magic Craft, Dragon Master, tons of games on here. And yeah, they show you the NFT collections basically for each one of the games. And they have different news articles for each one of the games as well. So tons of updates there. And then they have this other webpage here. Looks like company.qorpo.world. That's a totally different page here. And it says powered by one token. Join the ecosystem powered by bountiful rewards and sustainable economy. Let's build. So they have a whole section about their platform. It shows you the app. Then a whole section about the games, the economy, the token. Just tons and tons of information on here. And yeah, so if you want to read about this project, you could read about it for a long time with all these different pages, all these different socials. But this token, brand new, getting a bunch of brand new central exchanges listings tomorrow on some big exchanges, including Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Bitcoin hitting 60 G's today. Congrats to Bitcoin, by the way, and Ethereum doing well, and lots of other tokens as well. But yeah, leave a comment. What do you guys think about Qorpo World down there in the comment section? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.